Hello guys, my name is Suraj Pratap and welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing a brand new software Container Mail, and with this software you are send unlimited emails to your subscribers, and also with this software you can collect unlimited contacts. So it's a brand new software launched by Canny 10. So if you are interested in this software Container Mail, which is the autoresponder software guys, then stick with me and watch this full review video till the end. And today I'm also giving my some premium bonuses for free to you guys. So if you are interested in make money online or want to know more about this software, then watch this full review video and also click the link which is in the description guys. So when you click the link which is in the description guys, you bring through here on my bonus page. As you can see guys, my insane bonus bundle of Container Mail. So you can see guys here that it's never been easier to hit the inbox thanks to Container Mail. So guys, with this software you can send emails direct to the inbox of your subscribers guys, and this is brand new software of 2021. And we talk later about the prices guys, but the I told you the front end price of this software is $17. And I want to tell you one thing guys, that today I'm giving my 4 premium bonuses for free to you guys. And here you can see there is a clock. So I want to tell you that if you are going to buy this software, then buy as fast as you can, because when this clock hits 0, then my first 2 premium bonuses will disappear guys, and you will get only remaining the 2 bonuses. So if you are going to buy this, then buy as fast as you can guys. And when you scroll down more guys, here you can see the image of Container Mail and also its description. You can read this to your own guys. And when you scroll down more guys, here you can see the prices and upsells, but we talk later about the prices, because I want to show you some benefits of this software. And these are the key benefits of this Container Mail software guys, and I'm going to read this for you and also explain you these benefits guys. So the first key benefit is guys, enjoy sky high deliverability. So we are getting 80% plus open rates. So guys, with this software you are sending the mails, then you can get 80% plus open rates guys, because it directly send the emails to the inbox of your subscribers. And second key benefit is guys, no SMTP required. So guys, in this software you do not also need any kind of SMTP. And the third is guys, no monthly fees, no limits. So guys, we know that there are lots of autoresponder outside, but they all have monthly payment system. But if you are buying this software, then you have to pay only one time, and you are getting unlimited space guys, and use this software for your long term guys. So the another key benefit guys, proven to convert email templates and opt-in forms. So guys, in this software you are also getting lots of email templates and also opt-in forms, and that all templates and forms are proven that these are going to help you a lot guys. And the another key benefit is guys, cloud based app, works on Windows and Mac. So guys, this software was based on cloud storage, and if you have Windows desktop or MacBook, then this software or work on both system guys. And the another key benefit is guys, unlimited imports, contacts, campaigns and broadcast. So guys, in with this software you can import unlimited files and collect unlimited contacts and also run unlimited campaigns guide and also broadcast. So guys, this system is going to help you a lot if you are in the make money online niche or you have lots of subscriber base. Then this software help you a lot guys. And the another key benefit is guys, world class support. So guys, if you are getting any trouble or suffering from any kind of issue with this software, then you can also contact with the support team. The support team is excellent guys, and you will get the answer of your questions immediately guys. And the last key benefit is guys, 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, if you think that this software is not working for you and you do not need this software, then you can also refund this software and get your money back within 30 days guys. But I want to tell you one thing guys, that the vendor, which is Canny 10, is so confident about this product, which is Contina Mail, that this software is going to help you a lot. And with this software you can going to make a ton of money guys. So guys, I explained these all key benefits to you briefly. So I think you understand about this software more. And when you scroll down more guys, here you can see a demo video. So you can also watch this demo video. And now it's time to know about my bonuses guys. So when you scroll down, you can see my first bonus is guys, $0 to $100 in 24 hours, and its value is guys $647. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can earn your first $100 within 124 hours, and you totally earn this money online guys. So this bonus will going to help you a lot in make money online. And the second bonus is guys, which is how to build a buyers list, and its value is guys $447. So guys, in this bonus you are going to learn how you can build your buyers list. That we know that with this software Contina Mail you are going to collect lot of emails guys, and with this bonus you are going to learn how you can collect only the buyers list, which giving you the money, and you can make money from your buyers guys. And the third bonus is guys, which is crazy traffic explosion, and its value is guys $797. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can drive huge crazy traffic to your offers guys, and make more money and generate more sales guys. And the fourth bonus is guys, which is Bing Ads Mastery training, and its value is guys $897. So guys, in this bonus you are going to learn how you can advertise your offers on Bing platform through ads. So guys, with this bonus you can also you are going to learn how you can run your campaigns successfully and make a ton of money guys. And the another bonus is guys, which is special bonus, and its value is guys $2,997. And this bonus was provided by the vendor guys, and I am also show you the vendors bonuses. So guys, here you can see the vendors bonuses guys. 100k affiliate training. So this bonus was provided you by the vendor guys, and this one bonus and my another 4 premium bonuses today you are getting for free, guys, if you are buy this software with my link which is in the description, guys. And I also want to tell you one thing, guys, that this kind of bonuses you will not get anywhere. And if you want to get these of bonuses for free of course, then you have to only buy this software with my link, guys, which is in the description, guys. And also don't forget this clock, guys, because when this clock hits 0, then my first two bonuses will disappear, guys. Okay, so now it's time to know about the prices, guys. So the front end price of this Continental Mail is $17, and OTO one, which is thumbnail Continental Mail Pro, its price is $37, and down sale is $27. And OTO 2, which is Continental Mail Optimizer, its value is, guys, $37, and down sale is $27. And OTO 3, which is Continental Mail Chat Fox Enterprise, its value is, guys, $27, and down sale is $22. And OTO 4, which is Continental Mail Agency, its price is, guys, $197, and down sale is $97. And OTO 5, which is Continental Mail Reseller, its price is, guys, $67, and down sale is $47. And the last is, guys, OTO 6, which is Continental Mail Done For You Edition, its price is $27, and down sale is $22. Now you are thinking how you can buy this software, guys. So, guys, for that you have to click the link which is in the description, guys. When you come here on my bonus page, you have to click one of these yellow button, which is click here to secure your bonuses. So when you click this button, guys, then you bring through here on the sales page of this Continental Mail, and here you can see there is a button, guys, green button, which is click here to get instant access. So when you click this button, you can buy you have to pay the price of this software, and the software is yours, guys. So now you are thinking how you will get all of these bonuses for free of cost, guys. So, guys, the vendors bonuses you will provide you in the members area. And talk about my bonuses, then when you buy this software with my link, then you have to go to your Warrior Plus account and go to your purchase history, guys, and search for Continental Mail. So when you click the Continental Mail, the interface looks like that, guys, you can see. And there is a button, guys, blue button, which is access affiliate bonus. So when you click this button, you can directly get access all of my premium bonuses for free of cost, guys. And you can use my all premium bonuses for your whole life. So I think I told you enough about this software, which is Continental Mail. So if you are going to buy this software, then don't forget to click the link, guys, which is in the description. And also don't forget about my bonuses, guys, because these all bonuses are premium, and today, only for today, you are getting these premium bonuses for free, guys.